I think we should demonstrate the acorn table. Squimchers? Yeah, squimchers. All right.
Oh, this is a new one.
That's a new squimcher. It's state-of-the-art squimcher table. So these are your squimching bars. These are your squimching pegs. This is your squimching screw. So allow me to demonstrate. You say, all right, needs to be squinched. What you do is, this is also a squimching rod, 1999, deal of a lifetime. Just go, squinch! Squinch right in there. I don't know why you would need to squinch something, but if ever you needed to, squimching rod, ain't that right, Mark? Yeah. Squinch!
Have you ever had to unsquimch something?
Oh yeah, I unsquimch all the time. My preferred time of day to unsquimch is 3 o'clock. So I'm not going to unsquimch these right now because it's not 3 o'clock.
What time is it?
1:16 o'clock. This is called your squimch and spark. Sometimes you want to squimch and spark at the same time. I usually don't. I'm not that kind of a guy. I'm not flashy. Make sure your squimcher is straight. You never want a crooked squimcher. Squinch!
And you did the spark.
Squimch and spark.
It's a complicated.
And that's how it's
time-consuming-
done.
You know, I think we would like
You know,
a
I've
squimcher.
I've never found a purpose for the squimching table. Never.
What? Dr. Seuss would like our squimchers.
Dr. Seuss would. But Dr. Seuss
What are those?
is dead. So he doesn't care about squimchers anymore. Isn't Dr. Seuss dead? I think so.
Was he even real?
Andy, is Dr. Seuss dead?
Don't we sell them too? The Thneebs?
We don't sell.
Is that called squimching too?
That's a.
No, this is de-squimching. Now, unsquimching and de-squimching are very different. Unsquimching I do at 3 o'clock. De-squimching, it's more of an any time of day kind of deal. So see, all these are squinched in here right now.
Oh yeah.
Which is a problem.
Which is a problem because they
And you
need
can't
they
squimch.
they need to be de-squinched so they can be
Squimched.
re-squimched.
A
It's kinda
Canadian version and an American.
Yeah, Canadian squumped because they have socialism, bread lines. What else do they have?
Snow.
Snow.
Free
Lots.
ice cubes.
Yeah, they've got ice just chilling. You have to pay for that where we're from. You ever squimped, Andy?
Have you ever squimped a squimpster?
This is a squimching table. This is now I'm on. I
Don't
just
mess that thing up.
I just de-squimched, so I'm gonna re-squimch. Huh?
Don't mess that up.
I didn't mess it up.
You did.
Oh shoot, I did.